Hello everyone, my name is Tugas. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between family and relatives, as well as nuclear family and extended family. First, let's start with the difference between family and relatives. Family typically refers to a group of people who live together or are closely related by blood or marriage. This can include parents and their children, or other close relatives who share a common residence. Relatives, on the other hand, are individuals who are connected by blood or marriage but might not necessarily live together. Now, let's talk about the difference between nuclear family and extended family. A nuclear family is a family unit that consists of couple and their dependent children. This type of family is often characterized by a more intimate and self-contained living arrangement. For example, a mother, father, and their two children living together in one home. An extended family, in contrast, is a family unit that includes relatives beyond the immediate family, such as grandparents, auntie, uncles, cousins, and others. This type of family often involves a broader network of relationships and may include multiple generations living together or in close proximity. For example, a household that includes a mother, father, their children, and the grandparents living in the same house or nearby. To illustrate the difference, let's consider an example. A nuclear family might consist of John, his wife Sarah, and their two kids, Emily and Jake, living in a suburban house. An extended family, on the other hand, might include John, Sarah, Emily, Jake, John's parents, and Sarah's sister all living in the same neighborhood or compound, regularly interacting and supporting each other. In summary, family and relatives are related concepts, but they differ in terms of the scope and proximity of relationships. A nuclear family is a smaller, more self-contained unit, while an extended family is a broader network of relationships that can include multiple generations and relatives. And that is for today, explanation on the difference between family and relatives, as well as nuclear family and extended family. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for all of us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.